Deciphering, even tan, unwrapping English phrases. Hello dear learners. In today's video, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, even tan. If you're intrigued about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's unwrap this together. Even and tan are two distinct words in English. Here's what they generally mean. Even. This can mean flat or smooth. It can also indicate equality or uniformity. For example, the ground is even. Tan. This is a light brown color often related to the skin after being in the sun. Example, she got a tan after her beach vacation. When you combine these two words into the phrase, even tan, it generally refers to a consistent and uniform tan on the skin without patches or uneven color. Imagine going to the beach and lying under the sun. If you turn and adjust yourself periodically, you might get an even tan, as opposed to having certain parts of your body darker than others. Let's see how this phrase can fit into various sentences. 1. After using the self-tanning lotion, she had a beautiful even tan. 2. He was careful to rotate while sunbathing to ensure an even tan. 3. The new tanning spray claims to give an even tan without any streaks. Some might confuse even tan with just having a tan color, but the emphasis is on the uniformity and consistency of the tan. It's not just about being tanned. It's about how uniformly tanned you are. And there you have it. Now, whenever you hear or see the phrase, even tan, you'll know it's all about that perfect, uniform sun-kissed glow. We hope this video has shed light on this phrase for you. Keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next video.